Hi.
Hey!
What's up, you guys? Today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Demie. This look is all over Instagram right now. It's super beautiful. Where did it go? But yeah, we're just gonna get straight into the video. I got my brows done already. First, I'm gonna use the Sephora 64. This is a diffuser brush. The foundation I'm gonna use is Becca Full Coverage, and this one is in Maple. I don't remember the last time I got a color match. Ooh, 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 ooh. I could work with this one. Ooh, I forgot how full coverage this bitch is. Wow, this foundation is alright. Next, concealer. My trusty Pat McGrath Sublime Concealer in M18. We're gonna apply the concealer in the way that I did in my Foxy eye makeup tutorial to give you that really lifted look. I'm running out. You guys, the other day, well, not even the other day, yesterday, I tried using a concealer that I normally would use instead of the Pat McGrath. Oh my god. I don't know if I did something wrong or what, but my skin was not having it. I'm gonna blend all of that out with a Sephora 47 brush. So, what's up? What y'all been doing? It's May 6th. Yesterday was Cinco de Mayo. What did you guys do? I stayed home drinking my honey because I don't drink tequila anymore. Drinking my honey in bed, chilling, talking shit on the phone, cute shit like that. Next, I'm gonna take my Becca Skin Love foundation in Walnut. No, this is not sponsored. I don't get PR yet. I'm sorry, I keep getting interrupted and that shit fucks with my mental. It just completely throws me the fuck up. You know what? I gotta warm the soul, bitch. Let's put on this motherfucking bronzer. Nah, but for real, what y'all been up to? I already know. Y'all ain't low. Y'all been haven't y'all? Y'all been sneaking out during quarantine. Y'all ain't low, bro. Y'all don't think I peep? No, I'm staying my ass home. I haven't left my house in 2 months. Fucking liar, yo. Talking about that, these quarantine DMs, these messages gotta stop. I know y'all motherfuckers is lonely, but y'all just hitting me up cause y'all bored. I ain't with the shit. See, I like, you guys don't have to do this, but I really like to use warm colors to bronze contour. I don't like using neutral tones to contour. To brighten the eyes a little bit more, because I just love that effect, I'm gonna use my Estee Lauder Double Wear Radiant Concealer in 1W. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just pounce that. Just focus it right under here, not the whole entire eye. Alright, I'm gonna move on to blush. I'm gonna use this YSL Liquid Color Balm in number 5. It's orange, but it's really pretty, sheer. I'm gonna apply it with a beauty blender. Oh, this is so cute. And it smells so good. It smells like Starburst candy. Yeah, I think I want my skin to look really motherfucking dewy today. To set under my eyes, I'm gonna use my Chanel Universal powder in the shade number 3. Oh, I forgot how fire this powder was. I think I'm gonna get like a slightly lighter powder so that I can highlight. I'm gonna use some of my Hourglass Veil Setting Powder. I love this freaking translucent powder. I'll take some of that Chanel. I just wanna know why all the Savage X Fenty lingerie is sold the fuck out. I can't buy shit. You don't think I want to do a little Savage X Fenty little photo shoot? But no. Oh yeah, quarantine hoes want to buy the whole store. That's why I am convinced that y'all sneaking out. Alright, so to bronze up, or just to define the bronzer, the contour, I'm gonna use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. This is also a Sephora brush, and I'm also wiping away the baking that I did under here. This is a Sephora 50 brush. It's a Flawless Light Powder. Looks like that. See? Oh my god. My makeup is coming out super duper flawless. Not like yesterday, which was a disaster. Unfortunately, I am out of my Morphe setting spray. That is my favorite setting spray. I've been struggling with doing my makeup without it, and I ordered 3 Morphe sprays from Ulta, so I'm just waiting for that. But in the meantime, today, since I really wanted to film today, I went to the drugstore and I picked up the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. I heard it's really dewy. One of my coworkers told me that the spray is really strong, so to be careful. Oh, it is strong. So let's see how it goes. The fuck, is this shit broken? Oh, but this is beautiful. Oh shit. My coworker did tell me that she put a little bit too much and it was a little oily, but oh fuck. Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh my god, my brows are completely different. I'll be right back, malfunction. I really recommend this setting spray. It's super beautiful. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Maybe I shouldn't because I get oily. I'm gonna wait a little bit to the end, but I really like, oh, I love the finish. It honestly reminds me of the Morphe spray. The nozzle, it can use a little bit of work because the way that it sprays uneven, but it's amazing. It was like $11 or something like that, or $10. I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm Face Palette. I'm gonna go in with this one here. It's just a really pretty rose gold. Ooh, I like this. These highlighters are really pressed, so when you turn, it doesn't look like you have a layer of glitter on your face. I use a little bit of the lighter shade, this one, just to amp it up, see? Pow. Moving on to the eyes. I'm gonna use my Morphe R39 brush. I haven't used a soft glam in a minute. I've been using Natasha Denona and Huda Beauty a lot, so let's do the soft glam. I need a new palette, man. Somebody send me a new palette. Somebody give me a new palette. I'm gonna mix sienna and burnt orange together. Mix these two. This is gonna be my beautiful transition shade. I'm gonna f with sienna first, and then I'm gonna soften it with a burnt orange. Use a drawing brush. This is the Sephora 41. I'm gonna go with mulberry right here. I'm gonna create this wing. This is just like my Foxy eye tutorial, so if you want, you guys can go over and watch that. I'll leave a link in the description, and I left a link in the beginning of the video, but if you missed it, I'll leave it in the description box. And then you're just gonna drag it right here onto the lash line, but not all the way, just leave it right here.
Drums, please.
Ooh, this shit gave me goosebumps. I I can't even do my liner. Hold on. This is the Sephora Collection Precision Liquid Liner. Oh, y'all ever heard? If y'all like rock music, just a mixture of 80s and rock music, oh, listen to the Strokes' new album. So I'm gonna create a wing. I'm gonna go in with my Alyssa Edwards palette. I'm gonna use hoe, cause I'm a hoe, and I'm a I'm gonna take a little bit of that and put it on. Oh wow, this is my skin tone shade. Wow, I like it. I like it. Now, take a very tiny detailed brush, go in with a black shadow. I'm gonna use Noir black eyeshadow from Anastasia because that is my favorite black eyeshadow. And we are gonna smoke out. I'm gonna go in with Tempera and place that inner corners. Go in with that liner, really clean off the brush. We're gonna do a little inner wing. Okay. All right, line your waterline with any black liner you have. I'm using my Milk Gel Liner in Boss. Nope, can't do it on camera. Be right back. That was the hardest shit I had to do. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And I threw on some lashes as well. I focused it more on the outer corners because I wanted to give it that effect. These aren't any specific lashes. I just take some, these are Ardell 113 lashes. They don't look like that. 113 lashes. They look like this, right? And what I do, I take a piece of like a mink, like an old mink lash that's already falling apart. I break a piece and I just stick it to the ends, and it gives it that really pretty flared out. Now moving on to the lips. Oh, she had my favorite type of lip that I do all the time. So, brown liner. This is NYX Cocoa, Hot Cocoa actually. Huda Beauty Bombshell. This is, a peachy lip. That's my favorite. I'm gonna do that. Boom. Okay. Oh, bitch. She has a glossy lip, so I'm gonna put a nice gloss on top of this. First, I'm gonna use my NARS Orgasm Oil Infused Lip Tint. Oh yeah. But y'all already know I want my lips to look glassy, so I'm gonna use my 99-cent lip gloss. So yeah, this is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you are not, subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, leave a beautiful positive comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.